So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Algonics. So in today's video, we are going to show you a very interesting project. And trust me, by end of this video, you're going to definitely like this. So before wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay guys, so let's start. So first go to Chrome, type WLED, enter. Then choose the first one because this is the official website of WLED. Click on this, then click on this install button. Oh, as you can see, there is no serial port is showing over here. For that, I need a cable, right? Okay, so here I am using ESP32. I have connected one cable. Now, connect this cable to your laptop. As you can see, port is showing over here. Click on this. Then click on connect button. Now it is getting connected. Now choose the first option, install WLED. Click on install WLED. Click on install. Now it is getting installed. It will take some time, so wait for 2 minutes. So guys, we are almost close. Yeah. So it's done. So installation completed successfully. Now click on this next button. It is searching for Wi-Fi. You can give your Wi-Fi credentials over here. So in my case, it is AirFiber, password. Then click on this connect option. Okay, so our device connected successfully with the internet. Now come to this first option, visit device. Click on this visit device option. As you can see, this is the beautiful web page of WLED. So our software part is done. So now let's move to our hardware part. So as you can see, I am using this 5-volt addressable LED. So it comes with 3 wires, VCC, ground and GPIO pins, means signal pin. So here I am using ESP32 microcontroller. So I'll connect this VCC to 5-volt, ground to ground, and the signal pin to any GPIO pins of ESP32. If you want to purchase this addressable LED, I'll share you the link in my description box. So let's connect this one. So my connection is done. Now let's come to software. So guys, connection part done. Now come to this web page. Now here choose config option. Go to LED preferences. Because I have chosen GPIO 13, so I'll change here by GPIO 13. Okay, and you can change by your own GPIO pins. Now once you changed, then click on enter. So as you can see, this LED is glowing. Now go to back option. Come to this web page. So from here you can change the color of this LED. For example, I am choosing this blue color. So see, the color is changing. Now choosing green. Wow, great. Yellow, yes. Light blue, yeah. So the color is changing very smoothly, as you can see. You can also change the brightness from over here. See. In this section, as you can see the effect mode, you can change the effect of this LED. For example, I am choosing the first one, Android. Let's see what happens. Wow, great. Let me increase the brightness. Let me change the color. Whoa. Change to Aurora. Wow. Now come to this blink option. Whoa, great. Whoa, blink rainbow also option is here. Whoa, I thought it was off, but it is the effect. Okay, now go to this bouncing balls option. Whoa, good. Looking good, right? You can change the color as well. So like this you can change whatever effect you want. From here you can change the brightness and you can change the color from here. So if you find this video interesting, I'll make one more video where you can control this by using phone application. Till then, stay tuned with Elconics.